So if your pipe bursts, usually you're gonna find out pretty quickly because the water is gonna come gushing out. There's a lot of pressure in water lines. What we typically find that takes longer to identify is a slow leak, just because usually that slow leak happens in an area that is usually hidden, whether it's inside a cabinet vanity, under your kitchen sink that's covered by the cabinet, so now your floor is slowly getting damaged. Usually we find those to take a longer time to identify and to be called out for. If a pipe bursts, you're usually going to find out pretty quickly, unless maybe you don't go in your basement that often. And the steps you want to take: call a restoration company, get the water extracted, get the area contained so that you're preventing secondary damage and no mold growth, and then we can start drying as quickly as possible.